Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Adobe Firefly to generate content for LinkedIn. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Adobe Firefly homepage. Log into your Adobe account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one by clicking on the Sign Up option. Once logged in, locate the Firefly tool on the Adobe dashboard. Click on the Firefly icon to access the content generation features. Now, you will see a prompt to link your Adobe Firefly with other applications. Choose the option for LinkedIn from the list provided. Next, you will be directed to a LinkedIn authorization page. Sign in to your LinkedIn account if you are not already logged in. After signing in, you will see a confirmation screen requesting permissions. Review the permissions carefully and click Allow to grant access. Return to the Adobe Firefly interface after successfully authorizing LinkedIn. You should now see a confirmation message indicating that Firefly is linked to your LinkedIn account. To start generating content, select the type of content you wish to create. Input your desired keywords or topics relevant to your LinkedIn audience. Adjust any settings or preferences according to your needs. Once everything is set, click on the Generate button to create content. Review the generated content to ensure it meets your expectations. If you need any adjustments, utilize the editing tools available. Finally, when satisfied, download the content or directly share it to your LinkedIn profile. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized Adobe Firefly to generate content for LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.